Hi there, and welcome to the Fluent English Frontier Podcast. I'm Maya, your personal English coach, helping learners just like you speak clearly, confidently, and fluently. If you're serious about mastering English, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this episode. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with every new lesson. Have you ever learned a bunch of English phrases and vocabulary, but when it's time to actually speak, your mind just goes blank? Chuckles? You freeze, you pause, you struggle to form even a basic sentence. Well, you're not alone. And the good news is, today's episode is exactly what you need. In this episode, you'll practice 100 of the most useful daily English phrases, repeated twice for shadowing, so you can build strong pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence. By the end, you'll not only understand these phrases, but also be able to use them naturally in real conversations without second guessing yourself. You'll speak more fluently, respond faster, and feel more in control during everyday situations. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. Repeat after me and don't worry about being perfect. Just speak with me. 1. How are you? How are you? 2. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. 3. What's your name? What's your name? 4. My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah. 5. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. 6. How old are you? How old are you? 7. I'm 25 years old. Haha, I'm 25 years old. 8. Where are you from? Where are you from? 9. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. 10. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? 11. A little bit. A little bit. 12. I don't understand. I don't understand. 13. Can you repeat that? Can you repeat that? 14. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. 15. What time is it? What time is it? 16. It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. 17. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. 18. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. 19. I'm tired. I'm tired. 20. I want to rest. I want to rest. 21. What do you do? What do you do? 22. I'm a student. I'm a student. 23rd. I work in an office. I work in an office. 24. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. 25. That's great. That's great. 26. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? 27th. My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. 28. Where do you live? And where do you live? 29th. I live in New York. I live in New York. 30. Do you like music? Do you like music? 31. Yes, I love music. Yes, I love music. 32. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? 33rd. I like pop music. I like pop music. 34. Do you play any instruments? Do you play any instruments? 35. I play the guitar. I play the guitar. 36. Can I ask you a question? Can I ask you a question? 37. Sure, go ahead. Sure, go ahead. 38. What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun? 39. I like watching movies. I like watching movies. 40. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? 41st. My favorite movie is Titanic. My favorite movie is Titanic. 42. What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends? 43. I go shopping or relax. I go shopping or relax. 44th. Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? 45. Yes, I have a brother. Yes, I have a brother. 46. I don't have any siblings. I don't have any siblings. 47. Are you married? Are you married? 48. No, I'm single. No, I'm single. 49. Yes, I'm married. Yes, I'm married. 50. Do you have children? Do you have children? 51. Yes, I have 2 kids. Yes, I have 2 kids. 52. No, I don't have children. No, I don't have children. 53. Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? 54. I went to the mall. I went to the mall. 55. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? 56. Yes, it was fun. Yes, it was fun. 57. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? 58. I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. 59. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast? 60. I eat eggs and toast. I eat eggs and toast. 61. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? 62. Yes, every morning. Yes, every morning. 63. Are you ready? Are you ready? 64. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. 65. Let's go. Let's go. 66. I'm coming. I'm coming. 67. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? 68. My number is 5551234. My number is 555123469. Can you help me? Can you help me? 70. Of course. Of course. 71. What's wrong? What's wrong? 72. I lost my keys. I lost my keys. 73. Don't worry. Don't worry. 74. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. 75. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 76. It's okay. It's okay. 77. Excuse me? Excuse me? 78. Yes? Yes? 79. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 80. You're welcome. You're welcome. 81. See you later. See you later. 82. Bye, Dunder. Bye. 83. Good morning. Good morning. 84. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. 85. Good evening. Good evening. 86. Good night. Good night. 87. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams. 88. Take care. Take care. 89. What are you doing? What are you doing? 90. I'm studying English. I'm studying English. 91. Are you busy? Are you busy? 92. Just a little. Just a little. 93. I'm free now. I'm free now. 94. Let's meet up. Let's meet up. 95. Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? 96. Let's meet at the cafe. Let's meet at the cafe. 97. What time? What time? 98. At 4 p.m. At 4 p.m. 99. See you there. See you there. 100. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. That's it, friend. You've now practiced 100 daily English phrases, each repeated to help you lock in the rhythm and meaning. Smiles. Remember, you can come back and repeat this episode as many times as you need. Repetition is the secret to fluency. Before you go, be sure to subscribe to the Fluent English Frontier Podcast, where I help you speak English naturally, with shadowing, storytelling, and real conversation tips. Like and share this episode if you found it useful, and leave a comment to let me know which phrase you love the most or what you'd like to practice next. Until next time, keep speaking, keep learning, and never stop growing. I'm Maya. See you soon.